Hey, what's up guys? Seagull Eagle here, back to you with another top 5. Today we'll be doing the top 5 plants. Number 5. Tree. Trees are pretty sick because they make wood. Wood, Minecraft, house. Number 4. Grass. Grass is a really cool one because you can actually use it as a spice in your soups. So next time you're mowing the lawn, make sure to get a handful of that, and you could spice up your meal. Number 3, gun. While this is a little more of a rare plant, this is actually a really sick one. Personally, I really like the color and the look and the beauty of the Glock 18C. Number 2, bagel. You know, I think all of us have had a bagel in our lives, and they're pretty tasty. You know, they can be a little costly, but if you go out foraging, you might, who knows, you might find a bagel today. Number 1, chicken. Chicken is just such a useful plant. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. You can make it into a soup, into nuggets. You could just eat it raw. You could get eggs. It's a pretty sick plant. Thanks for watching.